Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is third video of game development in Python with Pygames. In last video we have seen about these shapes, and in this video we are going to learn about the movement of shapes. In this video we are going to move our shapes on our window. Okay, so let's run our previous code. So here you can see that here we are getting a small circle, a rectangle and one line. Okay, so now I am going to remove our circle and line. Now you can see that here we are getting only rectangle. Okay, now we want to move our rectangle. If we want to move our rectangle on right side, so we can increase the x coordinate. If we want to move our rectangle left side, so we can decrease the x coordinate. Okay, so if we want to move our rectangle upside, so we can decrease the y coordinate, and if we want to move our rectangle downside, so we can increase the y coordinate. Okay, so first I am going to create one list outside of our for loop. Let's say my key. Okay, in that I am going to use pygame dot key dot get underscore press. So basically whatever key we are going to press on our window, those key are going to store inside my key. Okay, that is our list. Now I am going to do if my key of pygame dot k underscore right. So basically whenever we are going to press a right key, that time our x coordinate x is equal to x plus 10. Okay, so basically x coordinate will increase 10 step. So let's create one variable. Let's say direction is equal to 10, and now I am going to use x plus direction. Okay, so let's run our code. So here you can see that is our rectangle, and now I am going to press a right key on our keyboard. So here you can see that our x is increased. Okay, the one thing is that our x is increased, but one problem is that it is creating a rectangle each and every time in our while loop. So how do we solve that? For that you can use pygame. Okay, so not pygame, you have to use game display dot fill, and inside that you have to use a black color because in our background we have black color. Okay, so I am going to pass RGB value of black color, and now I am going to run our code. Okay, so now I am going to press right key. So here you can see that our rectangle is now moving. Okay, but you can change the speed of rectangle by using frame per second or fps. So let's use fps. For that I have to create one variable. Inside that pygame dot time dot capital CLOCK. Okay, now I have to use clock dot tick, and inside that I am going to pass a frame per second. Okay, so let's say I am going to pass 60 frame per second, and now I am going to run our code. And now I am going to press a right key. So here you can see that our rectangle is moving on right side. So let's set for a left side and upside and downside. Okay, so if my key of pygame dot k left, that time we are going to decrease the x. X is equal to x minus direction. Okay, so now we can move right side and left side. Here you can see that. Now we are going to set about the left side. Okay, so we are going to set about the upside and downside. So if my key of pygame dot k underscore up, that time we have to decrease the y. Y is equal to y minus direction. Now you can see that we are moving it on upside. So let's set about the downside. My key of pygame dot k underscore down. So that time just increase the y is equal to y plus 1. y plus direction. Sorry. So now I am going to run our code. So we can move right side, left side, up side and down side. Here you can see that we are completely moving our shapes on any direction. So one problem is that when I press right key, so here you can see that our rectangle is going outside of our box. Okay, so how do we set boundaries? So let's set boundaries. So for that you have to just use and x less than 720, that is our resolution 720 minus width. Okay, so now you can see that it is not going outside of our box. So let's set for upside, downside and left side. For left side you can use and x greater than 0. Okay, it is not going outside of right side and left side. Okay, now let's set about the up and down, and y greater than 0. Okay, and y less than 480 minus height. Now here you can see that it is not going outside of our box. Okay, so basically we are going to create a snake game first. After that we are going to create a different type of games. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question about the movement of shape, just you can ask me in comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.